Hi everybody, what's up? Welcome back to this channel. Today we are still looking at Pixabay tutorials and I want to dive right in, go into the Pixabay website and at the same time also open Canva because today's video is about mixing Pixabay with Canva to create the most beautiful design, all right, for your videos, for your images or whatever it is. So our focus today will be on videos and we're going to go into Pixabay. If you don't know how to get registered, check my previous video on how to get started on Pixabay. You just sign up and it's a pretty simple process. All right, so we're going to come here on the search bar. What we're looking for here is a video. I need a video of maybe like a waterfall because I want to create a live stream that will be running. It's like more of how do we call it, these relaxation focus type of live streams. So I'm going to search for something that is calming. I can say a calming video. All right, calming video. And then once we search, we have to ensure that it is in format of video, in the video format. All right, also another thing that we can do is come here on these tabs. You see the videos, orientation, effects, resolution and all that. So I want to come here to orientation and pick vertical, all right, because I want a vertical type of video. So we're going to scroll down. We can see there's a lot there, and you also have to look at these videos to find out if they are like natural videos or if they are animated or if they are made out of artificial intelligence, so that when you're posting on your YouTube you're putting the right type of content. All right, so there's that. This looks also really nice. This also is very calming, like it's giving you that relaxing outdoor vibe. Let's keep looking. There's the ocean, like there's a lot here, so I'll just pick the one that is most beautiful. If you're a religious person, this could work for you. If you have a religious channel, you can have this and then have a voiceover of maybe like a prayer or an inspirational talk. Yeah, so there's that. And you can create so much. You can even create short videos, you can create TikTok videos, you can create Instagram reels from these. So what I'm going to pick here is the very first ones, or we can go down further and see what we can get. I'm going to scroll down a bit further. We have a waterfall here. Let's see what the waterfall has. Looks very relaxing and calming. Let's see what's here. There's a cup, there's a waterfall. This looks good. So let me go with this one. All right, somebody is pouring some water into a cup and there's a very nice background. You can see the contrast between the video that's being focused on and the background. It's very relaxing, very calming, and you can just have it running as you have some relaxing music as well. All right, so we are going to click on that so that you don't waste a lot of time looking for a video to use. And then we are going to come here. Remember what I told you, you can always give a like, follow these creators, and another thing you can always do is click on donate if you are generous enough and if you are able to. All right, so it is not a must, it is just a show of good gesture for the people who create these videos for us to use on our projects. All right, so I'm going to click on download, click the highest resolution, download, and then I will come here on Canva. On Canva I have I want to create a design. You know how to use Canva. If you do not know, I have a playlist on how to design, on how to get started on Canva, and I have more videos coming in with Canva tutorials, actually how you can make the most out of the Canva website. All right, so what we're going to do here is click on mobile video. You're going to click on the mobile video right there, and then what you need to do is remember the video we just downloaded from Pixabay. You're going to come here on the upload tab, left tab. You can see there's a lot of functions here. Click on upload and click upload files. All right, So in uploading files, you're going to go to your computer, you'll find the video you just downloaded. It's going to load. I don't know if you can still see my screen. You're going to come to on upload files, go to downloads, you'll find the video you just downloaded from Pixabay right there. Alright, so it's here. We select it, click open so that it can upload to Canva now. Alright, so remember the video is about how you can use Pixabay and Canva to create a unique media, a unique video, a unique graphic design for use on your projects, like a social media campaign, a website, a blog, a YouTube channel, a TikTok account, Instagram reel, and all those things. All right, so we've uploaded the video. It's uploading right here. We're going to wait until it is fully loaded, and then we are dragging it to on here, and then add a few words of inspiration or something like that, because I want a relaxing video. So I can come back to Google or ChatGPT, but let's just use Google and look for a quote, like a relaxation quotes. All right, so we're going to get several options, and we have here, sometimes the most productive thing you can do is relax. Relaxation is the key to success. The time to relax is when you don't have time to relax. That's really good. So I think I'll go with this one. The time to relax is when you don't have time for it. So I'll just copy it. I'll show you where I'll be using it. Okay, so I just picked the first few random results, and as you can see here, this is a result of the Gemini AI tool, which is Google's newest feature. You need to check it out, but that's a topic for another day. Like I mentioned, here on this channel we are all about growing, learning, and exploring all these features that make our work so much easier. Alright, so our video has already uploaded. It's a 25-second video. For you to bring it here, you only need to click on it here, and it comes to your Canva editing page. Now what you need to do is make sure that you're filling out these blank spaces. I don't know if you can see these blank white spaces on the edges. We need to get rid of that. So to get rid of this, you can either pull on the sides, but I find that to be a bit cumbersome. So the easiest shortcut is to click here on that media and go all the way to set the video as a background. All right, and now your video is fully covering that format of that video that you're trying to create. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is click on text from the left sidebar. We need to put some text here, and then copy. You remember the quote we just searched on Google? This one, we copied it. Now it is time to paste. All right, so you come here, click on paste, and there you have it. You have added value to this video. So you have to look at this. It is not quite visible. All right, and I want something that's visible, appealing to the eye. It's not going to like make it very difficult for people to read. So I'm going to change the font, the color font, to white. All right, and then I'll come on effects here on Canva, click on outline, so that I can pick a bolder color to outline that text. I wish I could get the color similar to the cup, like this purple one, or maybe I need to find it. You can select your colors from these color palette here, and I'm just going to hover into the darkest of the purple. So as you can see at that point, the font is now quite visible, easy to read, and it's going to give you at least time with your audience on your video. Now one last thing I normally like to do is give this text some animation. I will click on animate. I'll get options. Once I click on animate, I'll get options on this side, and I want to create typewriter so that it can come off like it is typing. I'm typing, you know, something of that sort. And you also want to make sure that you have selected both, so that as it comes in, as it goes out, it is a typing effect. Then you need to slow it down as well slow it down. But some of these features on Canva, for you to access them, you need to have the paid version, but it's okay if you don't. You can just use whatever is available at that particular time. So at that point, I don't see any other thing to add on this video unless to just download it and now post it. And that's how you mix Pixabay with Canva to create a stunning, amazing piece of content to use. This is a video. Let's play it. So as you can see, it is playing. As the water is pouring in the cup, the text is also playing, and you can reduce this. It's a 25-second video. You can reduce the the duration of the clip to get up to the point where the typing ends. All right, so what I can do to show you is come here at the very end, select this media at the bottom, and come here. You see that drag arrow, so you bring it all the way up to like 10 seconds, because 10 seconds is a good enough length for these reels, TikTok videos, a looping video, something of that sort. And now the next thing that I'll be doing is clicking on download. To download, I'll click on share, and then you want to download it as a video, so you have these options here. You can download it as a JPEG, a PNG, a PDF, or whatever, but we want it as a video, an MP4 video, high quality video. All right, so there is that, and then you're going to click on download, and we are done. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Robertina. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, check out our other tutorials, and I hope that you're going to learn something, and share this as well with your networks. I will really appreciate it. So I will see you in our next video. Goodbye.